Hey, what's up everyone? While you're watching this video, you will see me abruptly just vanishing away. That's because the battery went down and I will be continuing with my voiceovers. So do watch the video. It's going to be a little important and a little emotional as well. Hey, what's up people? This is your Z back. So yes, you saw the title. Whatever you saw in the title is absolutely correct. I'm saying a very big goodbye to social media. And this is not going to be for a very long time, but it's just for 30 days. This is kind of an experiment for myself also. And going away from social media at this point of time when all my friends are actually sending me a lot of topics to make video on. I'm really sorry guys, but I just need to take a time off. The reason because when I try to make any video or very good content and try to give you a lot of information, and when I read a content, I try to go into a deep researches, and after going into the deep researches, there are a lot of questions in my mind. Why did this happen? Why did that happen? How did this happen? A lot of questions, which is actually not necessary for me. This is going to be just for 30 days and just to get some new experiment in my life. I'm not going to use Instagram, I'm not going to use Facebook, no YouTube. But yes, the other side of this going away from social media is, social media is because since I've been receiving messages from a lot of people and my friends saying your videos are very informative and you should keep doing it. When people are expecting me to do more good, I would like to bring more informative and very good content which will bring value to your life. So I'm in a very big confusion right now. What kind of a topic should I make, what not? See, initially if you see, there are videos where I have done some funny videos also during the month of Ramadan, which is actually a long back. It is quite entertaining as well. I will leave if you would like to see that, I will leave the link in the description. Then later on I thought, by making entertaining videos, I know I can make people laugh, I can bring the smile on the face. But otherwise, I have been always thinking, what is that something that my content has which will bring value to my viewers, or any kind of very good information and stuff like that. So I've been researching on this and studying on this and experimenting few things. So finally I've decided that I will just take a short break and come up with a very good content. And when I'm coming back, trust me, this is going to surprise a lot of people. I'm sure a lot of people will like it. And I know it is very hard, being away from social media. When you wake up, phone, when you go into the kitchen, phone, when you go into the bathroom, phone, when you, especially when you're on the bed before going to sleep, phone. So I just want to get rid of all these things because it's affecting my productivity. Though it is not benefiting me too much, just keep scrolling about feeds and stuff like that. And I would also like to tell you that always make sure whomever you're following on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, see if you are getting any value from that. I will mention a link in the description below. You can please go ahead and follow him. His name is Alkhas Joseph and we are friends for a very long time. He is not only a fitness trainer, but also when I look at his videos and his posts on Instagram, this guy always has a mindset of positivity. No matter what happens to him, he always be ready and face things in a positive mind. And we have also did a live session on my Instagram. I will leave the link in the description below. So, and there is another guy called Anil Singh, whose Instagram is filled with a lot of information, During this time, pandemic time, a lot of people are getting into YouTube, start new YouTube channel, business is down and everything is down. Okay, YouTube is a good platform to start the career with. But what are you learning from anyone whom you are following? That is very, very important. I make sure I follow only people, first of all, who are my friends. And apart from that, I only follow people whom I get value and whom I get a lot of information about. So there are a lot of things, guys. I mean, I am not able to explain everything in this video, but later on, when I come with a bang, I will definitely make videos which will definitely bring value to your life, and it will be very, very informative also. And I'm sure everybody know that information is wealth. So not taking much time of yours, and yeah, and one more thing. If you know that I had made a video on making India COVID free, I promised you that I will be donating for how many ever likes I get. But however, I will not be in social media for the next 30 days. Once the completion of 30 days, I will definitely go ahead and donate and also make a video on that as well. And I hope by that time I will have a little more likes on that. Anyways. So I was telling you that do follow people who actually try to bring some value in your life, bring some kind of information or something like that. And I will be mentioning the link in the description. Do go follow them. It's not that I'm trying to promote them or something, but I definitely recommend these guys because these guys bring a lot of information to you. And meanwhile, do subscribe to my channel and keep the notification on. Hit the bell icon and keep the notification on, because after 30 days I will be uploading a video, and if the notification is on, you will get the notification of my video. The comeback video will be very, very good, and I'm going to plan, strategize, study how to bring a very good informative content to all of you guys. I hope you will keep supporting me. I wish you all the very best. Be safe, take precautions, eat healthy, and keep your immune system strong. I will catch you back very, very soon. Until then, this is your Z.